This is a tour of our home, studio and vessel, a Yamaha 33 sailboat named Pino. Our home is powered by 3 solar panels. Then up at the bow is our chain locker. We also keep our Bruce anchor here. We have a Lumar electric windlass, which we use to haul up our Rockna anchor. Pino has a large hatch in the front, ideal for stargazing. At the back is our no-name wind vane. In the cockpit is a lot of storage space. The back, currently blocked by the bicycles, has the extra road and gear. The other half is the propane locker. On the starboard side is a locker where I sleep. There are many jerry jugs of water here to make sure I stay hydrated. Let's go have a look inside. We sleep in the V-berth. There are 3 lockers under the cushions. The smaller one is for storage. Opposite of it is a mess of tubes as well as the macerator. The holding tank takes up much of the last locker. There is even more storage under here, where we keep our tools. This is the head, and at the back is a storage cabinet. There is a pull-out sink, which we don't use. There's also an easy access to the valves under the head too. Opposite the head is a closet. We really need to sort through that space. The sewing machine is in there, somewhere. The main saloon has just as many secret doors. The starboard side is full of dried goods. The lockers are also for food storage. Under the seat is yet another space to keep extras. A locker for the batteries, and another for the diesel tank. On the port side is a pilot berth, which we use to store plastic bins with our electronics. While we travel, this is where our bikes go. The first 2 side lockers are for food. The third is where we keep the solar controller and the battery charger. The freshwater tank is under here. And the last locker is where we keep our other set of batteries. Now we turn to the galley. We make use of every space, for spices, utensils, and plates. Mostly spices, though. There is more storage for bulky things like pots and pans under the oven. We also store some in it. Under the stairs is where Calcifer, our Yanmar 2GM engine, lives. The quarter berth currently houses our bins of clothes, as well as a fermenter for beer. There are more lockers back there too, as well as a suitcase full of winter clothes. The navigation table is where Devine works. Our handheld and VHF radios are here too, next to the controller for our S-bar heater, the breaker panels, and the radar. Oh, and this is our broadband router. My workspace is on the table here in the saloon. We take the table out when we sail most times. The fold-up extension is a nice touch. Finally, here is a look under the floorboards in Pino's bilge. Hope you enjoyed our boat tour, and as always, thank you for keeping us afloat. Literally.